everybody, welcome to Craft a Story. It's Celeste here, and thank you so much for stopping by. And I want to just extend a really deep felt thank you, because for everybody who has subscribed and liked and watched and shared and commented on my videos. You guys mean the world to me, and I am so grateful that you take a portion of your day and your time and give it to me while you watch my videos. So I want to just start by saying thank you. I also want to share my Twinchie Tuesday idea with you, and this is a hashtag that is hosted by Jen from Sassy, I always get this wrong, Sassy Southern NC Girl. And so it is basically a Twinchie is a 2-inch by 2-inch little piece of art. And normally I will create my own Twinchies and my own art, but I was doing a little spring cleaning and I found my 2025 monthly calendar, so my calendar from last year, and I loved this strip over here. I thought I could use that, all these beautiful graphics and the words, and I was like, oh man, I can use all these things. And I usually do cut up my my calendar that I've used up, but on the back of these calendars almost always they have these little sort of thumbnails, I suppose you could call them, and it's a picture from every one of the pages inside the calendar. And so my world, my life is recorded in these calendars, so I will take what I need, take what I want to keep, and shred the rest. But I looked at these and I thought, man, they look like perfect Twinchies. There's only one problem. They're not 2 by 2-inch. And so when I measured them, they were about 2¼ inch. And I thought, well, okay, I don't think that's a train smash, because if I cut these all out and I just slice off where there isn't writing, because they all have these little sort of sayings like, you got this, wherever you go, go with all your heart, if you dream it, you can do it, which is a firm belief of mine. I try to live by, every moment matters, good vibes only. So you can see these are really cute, and I don't want to throw them out, I want to keep them. And so I'm going to cut them out and then just trim them down. And then when I'm done, I'm going to take my big old roll of double-sided tape. I bought this massive roll, and I'm going to make stickers out of these little guys, like Twinchie stickers. So I'm going to go off and cut these out, put them on here, which I think is 2 inches. Is it? Yes, this is exactly 2 inches, so it's going to be perfect. And I'll come back in a second to show you what they look like. Okay, so I've cut them all out, and they are now all, I kind of eyeballed it, guys, just for time. I didn't really measure super well, but I did pretty well, I think. So it's kind of a 2 by 2, so I got them down. There was one that I couldn't cut down to a 2 by 2. I can come and cut a piece off here, but the little bird's beak is too far off to the side, and then this writing is too far off that side, and so I can't chop off this way to make it 2 inches, and so I'll just keep this one for something else. But at least I've got 11 of the others, and I've got my roll over here that I've rolled out, and I'm just placing them down on this double-sided tape. And then these are going to be Twinchie stickers. And then I can put them in my sticker stash to use, you know, just in card making and art journaling and junk journaling and all the fun stuff. So I guess, oh, stuck. This big roll, I know I bought it on Amazon, and I've had it for a while, because you can see how much is on here. So if you guys want to know the name, it's called Sign World. That is the one I bought, and it's just lasted me for absolute ever. So let's now just trim off. I didn't really put this one down very well, and as you can see, I I'm going to have to trim a little off the side there too. So it's like, whoop, come back here. So you guys, if you have old calendars that you haven't thrown out yet, or you know, your calendar from this year, when you are done with it, if you use calendars, maybe look at the back, because they oftentimes will have these really pretty little thumbnails of all the monthly pictures, and they make really nice stickers. Okay, here they are. I was hoping for 12, but 11's good. And it says, be happy, be bright, be you. Be your own kind of beautiful. Never let go of your dreams. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. Believe in yourself. I love these. These are going to make amazing stickers. You've got this. We all need to hear that from time to time. Always be positive. Life is a gift. Love the smiling sun. Good vibes only. Every moment matters. And if you dream it, you can do it. Guys, if anybody wants to trade with me or do a Twinchie swap, please let me know in the comments below, and I will send you my mailing address. If you can send me yours, then we can swap. All right, you guys, thank you so much for going on this little Twinchie journey with me and celebrating Twinchie Tuesday. And thank you to Jen for hosting the hashtag. And I will see you next time. Bye.